Hello everyone, I got my T1 duplex back. I sent it away to get fixed. When I got it last December for Christmas, it just wasn't working. So I phoned up Broadway Limited. They were very friendly and they told me to send it back to get fixed. So I just got it back now and it actually runs great. It just took a little time to get it, about 4 months. Although once they started working on it, it took about a day to get it fixed and then a couple more days to send it over here. So I can show you how it runs now. Definitely time to run some trains. So it's got this really good startup sound. So you just press F9. And then the headlight. You can hear the steam generator going. And you'll hear the first sound it makes when it's moving. It's the open cogs, and then it quickly changes to the normal sound. So it's also pretty loud. Also, it's got reverse lighting, and there's a sound for the power reverse. So it's really animated. Look at the valve gear motion. It's magnificent. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I certainly had fun making it for you. See you soon.